1. Lisa was busy and asked Tom to take their clothes to the dry cleaners. 2. Tom gathered their clothes, including a gray suit coat, a pair of white pants, and Lisa's favorite blouse. 3. At the dry cleaners, Tom gave the clothes to the attendant and received a ticket. 4. Tom returned and picked up the clothes, but when he got home, he realized they were someone else's clothes. 5. Tom went back to the dry cleaners to explain that there was a mix-up. 6. The attendant apologized and gave Tom their correct clothes. 7. Lisa discovered that the suit coat had a stain, her blouse had shrunk, and her pants had turned pinkish. 8. The attendant promised to fix the issues and to reimburse them for the blouse. 9. In the end, everything turned out okay.